Hello, my name is Adam. I'm a precision agriculture specialist working for a company. Today we will talk about variable rate technology, or VRT. So in today's video, we'll be delving into the world of precision agriculture and exploring how variable rate technology, or VRT, is revolutionizing the way farmers manage their crops. If you stay till the end, I'll also share a special gift for you all. So without further ado, let's get started. Variable rate technology, or VRT, is a cutting-edge farming technique that allows farmers to optimize the application of water, fertilizer, and pesticides by varying the rate of application across the field based on the specific needs of the crops. With the help of advanced technologies such as GPS, remote sensing, and artificial intelligence, farmers can now create highly detailed maps of their fields and identify areas that require different amounts of water, fertilizer, or pesticides. This technology enables farmers to make real-time adjustments to their irrigation systems and application equipment, ensuring that each area receives the precise amount of these inputs that it needs. By doing so, farmers can improve crop yields, reduce waste, and optimize their use of resources. In this context, precision agriculture refers to the practice of managing and processing agricultural data in order to make better decisions about how to grow crops. It involves collecting data about the soil, weather, and crops, and using it to develop management plans that are tailored to the specific needs of each field. For example, precision agriculture techniques can help farmers determine the optimal amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides to use, as well as the best time to apply them. By using this approach, farmers can improve crop yields while reducing waste and environmental impact. On the other hand, variable rate technology, or VRT, is a key component of precision agriculture that allows farmers to apply inputs such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides at varying rates across the field. VRT systems use GPS and other technologies to control the application equipment, ensuring that each area receives the right amount of inputs. Precision agriculture has numerous benefits for farmers and the environment. One of the key advantages of precision agriculture is its ability to improve crop yields. By using data-driven insights, farmers can optimize their use of resources such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides, leading to increased production. Additionally, precision agriculture can help farmers save money by reducing waste and improving efficiency. For example, by applying fertilizer only to the areas that need it, farmers can avoid over-fertilizing their fields, which can result in significant cost savings. Moreover, precision agriculture can help farmers monitor their crops more closely, allowing them to identify and address issues early on. For example, by using remote sensing technologies such as drones and satellites, farmers can detect signs of disease or nutrient deficiencies in their crops and take action to correct the problem. Now let's delve deeper into the benefits of variable rate technology, or VRT. Firstly, VRT can help farmers optimize their use of water, one of the most critical inputs for crop production. By using sensors and other technologies, farmers can monitor soil moisture levels and apply water only when and where it is needed. This can result in significant water savings, which is particularly important in areas where water is scarce. Secondly, VRT can help farmers apply fertilizer more efficiently. By analyzing soil samples and using other data-driven insights, farmers can determine the specific fertilizer needs of different areas of their fields and apply fertilizer accordingly. This can result in increased fertilizer use efficiency, which can lead to cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Moreover, VRT can help farmers apply pesticides more effectively, reducing the amount of pesticides used and minimizing the risk of resistance developing. By targeting pests only in the affected areas, farmers can use fewer pesticides overall, which can result in cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Furthermore, VRT can help farmers optimize their harvesting practices by using sensors and other technologies to monitor crop yields and quality. This information can help farmers make informed decisions about when and how to harvest their crops, which can result in increased efficiency and reduced losses. Finally, VRT can help farmers improve the overall quality of their crops. By monitoring and adjusting the growing conditions as needed, farmers can ensure that their crops meet the desired quality standards, which can result in higher prices and increased profitability. The process of implementing VRT typically begins with creating a map of the field using GPS and other technologies. The map is used to identify areas that have different characteristics, such as variations in soil type or crop growth. Once the map is created, farmers can develop variable rate prescriptions for each area, specifying the amount of water, fertilizer, or pesticides to be applied. To implement the variable rate prescriptions, farmers need to invest in special equipment such as GPS-guided tractors and sprayers. These machines are equipped with sensors and other technologies that allow them to vary the rate of application as they move across the field. Farmers can also use software to monitor the application process and make adjustments as needed. When it comes to choosing the right technology for VRT, there are several options available to farmers. Some common technologies include GPS, which is used to map the field and guide application equipment; soil sensors, which can measure soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels, enabling farmers to apply water and fertilizer precisely where it's needed; drones and remote sensing, which can provide detailed images of the field, allowing farmers to identify areas that require attention and targeted applications; and finally, artificial intelligence, or AI, which can analyze large amounts of data to provide insights into crop health and optimize applications. There are several companies that offer VRT solutions for farmers. Some examples include John Deere, which offers a suite of precision agriculture tools, including variable rate technology; Trimble, which provides GPS and other technologies for precision agriculture applications; and Growers' Choice, which offers a cloud-based platform for managing and analyzing precision agriculture data. Now let's talk about the costs associated with implementing VRT. The cost of implementing VRT can vary depending on a number of factors, including the size of the farm, the type of equipment and technology used, and the cost of labor. However, some rough estimates suggest that the initial investment in equipment and technology can range from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. Additionally, farmers may incur ongoing costs such as maintenance, repair, and data subscription fees. Despite these costs, many farmers find that the increased efficiency and profitability of VRT make it a worthwhile investment. To sum up, VRT is a powerful tool that can help farmers optimize their operations and improve their bottom line. By adopting this technology, farmers can maximize the use of their resources, increase yields, and reduce waste. As the agriculture industry continues to evolve and innovate, VRT is likely to play an increasingly important role in helping farmers meet the growing demand for food while also protecting the environment. And now I'd like to share a special gift with you all, as promised, a comprehensive guide to precision agriculture. This guide will delve deeper into the topic and provide you with even more valuable insights. To access this exclusive content, simply visit our website and download the guide. It's available for free, and I believe it will be a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning more about precision agriculture. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.